Welcome back to the another new PowerPoint tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this animated slide on just PowerPoint. This is an example of infographic slide with animation. Let's get started. First you select a blank slide, delete all this text box, then go to format background and select gradient field, then change this type to path, delete all these gradient stops and change the color of gradient stop left side to white and change the color of gradient stops to the right green color with lighter 80%. Now select a rectangular shape, select this rectangular shape, select no outline, then fill it with this color, place it over here, then press Ctrl D to duplicate and make it more teeny than the previous rectangular shape. Now select this shape again, resize it to make the tree branches. Make more branches of the tree. Now select this shape, now select a circle shape to make the leaf of this tree. Select no outline and fill it with this color. Make a duplicate circle shape, make another leaf of this tree and choose the color, place it over here, resize this circle shape, send it to back. I will make the whole tree branches to group, then place this leaf over the tree, send it to back. Now select this circle shape again to make another leaf, resize this shape, change the color of the smaller leaf, select this yellow color and send it to back. Send it this tree to back again. Select this circle shape to make another leaf and change the color and send it to back. Select this circle shape again, make another leaf of this tree and place over the tree. Now select this all the circle shape, go to animations, select zoom animation, go to animation pane, select this start with previous and the duration of this whole animation is 0.50. Now select a rectangular shape to make the percentage details of a topics. Change the font of this text. I'll select drag square and increase this size. Change the color of this text to black. Now select this circle shape again, place it over here. make more circle shape to denote the name of the topics. I have 5 leaves to show the 5 topics. Change the color of this circle shape to this. Change this also. Now select this rectangular shape with text 90%. Place it over here to denote the 90% performance of that topics. Here is the size. Now select this to shape, go to animation, then select the whip animation and change this effect of this animation from top. Select these 2 animations, increase its duration to 1 second. Now do the same thing. Select these 2 rectangular shape, place it on the second topics. Reduce its size. And change the name. Select these 2 shape again. I'll do the same thing on all the leaf of the tree. Select this both rectangular shape again, do the same thing. I will test this all the animation. So here is the animated tree slide on just PowerPoint. Hope you like this video and share your ideas on the comment box, and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Thank you.